Well, hello again everybody, welcome back, and today we have a Schlage challenge lock pinned by Trekmaster30. Nice shiny one with a homemade key, quite interesting bitting on it. So let's see if we can get into this one and have a look inside. So start at the front. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 all springy, and 5 is binding. So we've got 2 clicks and a very slight movement on the core. 6, little click out of 6. Right, back to the front. Right, 1 still springy, 2, 3. Right, we've got a little click on 3. 4's binding. Nice click on 4. 5 still solid. 6, tiny little click on 6. Right, back to the front. 1 still springy. 2's binding. There's a click on 2. Another click on 2. 3, 4, 5. Feels like 5's dropped. And we've got a little click and a little bit of movement on the core. Let's just check at the back. Right, 1. It's binding. Right, we've got a click out of 1. 2, we've got counter rotation. Hopefully we haven't lost everything. So it's tension wrench back in there. Right, 1. Looks like we might be alright. 3, 4, 5, 6. So everything's a bit solid at the moment. Right, there we go. There's a bit of counter rotation, a click on 1. Nothing on 2, that's just solid. 3 feels, not sure if might be getting a bit of feedback on 3, we'll come back to that. 4, 5, tiny little click on 5, and we've got a slightly bit more movement on the core. And 6, click and a nice bit of movement on the core. So I've definitely got a full set now. 1, 2, 3. Getting counter rotation. And something's dropped. Come on, 3. Right, that was a click on 3. 4, 5, and 6. Nothing. So let's find out what's dropped. Right, there was 1. A counter rotation and a click. Nothing on 2. Nothing on 3. 4, 5 felt like it had dropped, but doesn't really want to do anything. 6, no. Right, 1, we've got another click out of 1, and we've got a touch of counter rotation on it. Nothing on 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5 definitely feels like it wants to do something, but it won't. Right, 1 feels set, 2 feels set, 3 feels set, 4 feels set, 5 we got a slight bit of movement and a little tiny turn on the core again, and 6, there we go. Right, let's get this out of the way, get the pinning tray in, and let's have a look, see what's inside here. The screws on the back. So, I meant to say this is by Trekmaster, and it was sent to me by John at Apache Lock Sport, so thanks for sending it. Quite a fun little pick. Right. There we go. And then let's see what we've got. Well, we can definitely see straight off. Threading in 1, 2 and 6. Pins look all normal on the top, but there we go, we've got serrated in 1 and 2. Little spoolie sort of one in 3. Serrated in 4. And 5 and 6. So let's just turn those round. And let's have a look in here. Right, there we go, serrations in 1. And a sort of spool serration. Let's get these pins out, the springs, so I'll keep them in the right order. Because number 2 was sticking up higher. So obviously a longer spring, which it is. Right, 3. Right, it looks like we've got 2 pins in here, so that'll be a drunken spool by the looks of it. Yep, a wafer and another spring. Right, let's see if we can get these other ones from the back. Make it a little bit easier. And that is a serrated T-pin with yet another different spring. And in 5, a spool with the T-pin. And yet another different spring. And finally in 4, that was a serrated T-pin. So very nice set of pins. And those T-pins all came into action. I think that drunken spool in number 3 also caused me some problems. So there we go. A very nice set of pins. So there we go. So thanks to Trekmaster for making that, and thanks to John from Apache Lock Sport for sending it to me. And thanks everybody for watching. See you again soon. Bye.